Bring him from the yard.
And I would like to thank my first mate supporters, Andre Cruz. This is Don the Diecast Pirate, and today I have for you another 40 car unboxing from that same seller on Mercari. And so let's get right into it. We have a Ford truck, horse haulers, Tonka, Maisto. Interesting, F350 Super Duty is what that is. I'm not really a fan of the Super Duty, so we'll put that in the trade pile there for you guys. We have a Lamborghini Reventon, and that is a super nice car. That's something, if I was a kid, I would definitely want that in my collection, but we'll put that up there for you guys. If you want to trade or whatnot, let me know. We have a manufactured for McDonald's Corporation. There's that. We have a paradigm shift. A paradigm shift with a see-through body. Put that there. What else do we have? We have a prototype H24. I think there was one of these in that last unboxing. So there's that. Oh, hey. Okay, here we go. Here's a 65 Mustang Convertible. That's going in with my collection of those. We have another, it's a Corvette C6. I'll put that there for you guys. If you want to trade, let me know. We have another Corvette ZR1. So you got the convertible, and then you have the one that with a removable top. We have, what do we have here? This is an MX-48 Turbo. So that's pretty neat. Put that in the trade pile for you guys. Here we have a Camaro Convertible Concept. A Camaro Convertible Concept. I'll put that back there. I might do a custom on that sometime. And then we have a Nissan Skyline GTR R34. Now, there was one of these in the last unboxing I put in the trade pile, and I think I'll keep that one for customization. And then we have an Infiniti G37. An Infiniti G37. Super sparkly paint on that. I really love that paint. Some paint issues on the roof there, but there's that. If you guys want that, let me know. Okay, here we go. A Castline Inc. 1958 Ford F100. Opening hood. The door's open. I'm not going to open the other door. But there's that engine in there. I'll put that there for you guys. We have a Lamborghini Reventon. And this one, just like that, is like a spider. I don't know where they came up with that name. We have an Aston Martin Db5. Talked a little bit about that in the last one, so I won't mention it too much in this one. We have, okay, an 08 Dodge Challenger SRT8. So, yeah, that's definitely going in the keep pile. We'll definitely, it's K&N air filters, but we'll change that up sometime. And then we have a some kind of race car. I don't know what that is. If you guys know, let me know in the comments down below, but that's going in the trade pile. And then we have a 24/7. It's a 24/7 is what this is. It looks like it's some kind of Miata. I could be wrong. Maybe it's what was kind of based on. It's not exactly, but that's what it reminds me of. Oh, we got the twin mill. This is a modern one. I have a bunch of old Redlines, but that's going in the keep. And then we have D4D is what it says. And it has stickers. Stickers, guys! Not tampos, stickers. Alright, here we go. An 08 Dodge Challenger SRT8. To go along with the other one. This has the orange glass, this one has the black glass. Those are going in the keep pile. A Nissan 350Z. For you tuner guys out there. A Mazda Fiore. Mazda Fiore. That's an interesting car. What do we have here? The Mach 9. Wow, the Mach 9. That is very cool. I would love to do a restoration on this. I would restore it exactly the way it is, but I'm going to put it in the trade pile for you guys. Oh, this is one I wanted. So the rescue with a blower through the hood. Put that back there with the keep. We have a curbside. So I think that here. Can you see that windshield? Yeah, I didn't think so. Oh, nice. A Skyline 69 GTO. Skyline 69 GTO. The hood does not open. But wow, that's got something red stuck on the paint there. Windows are scratched a little bit. Rear bumper's missing. Rear bumper's missing, so man, if I couldn't do a restoration on that, I can use those wheels for something. So I think that'll be a wheel donor. Here we go. An F-150 Erdl. F-150 Erdl, and the skinny tires are sticking out way too far. I'll put that back there with the other one. Alright, here we go, you guys. This is a Mustang Mach 1. A Mustang Mach 1. Oh, wow. I would love to do a restoration on this. Or custom, I mean. Customize it, detail the crap out of it. Oh yeah, here we go. This might be one that comes up. So some of these cars I'm putting in the keep pile could possibly come up in the subscriber's choice. I'm not going to take votes on what goes in. You guys get to vote on the one that's going to be built, but I'm basically just choosing cars at random. I don't want to overcomplicate it, right? And have people say, I don't want this in there, I don't want that in there. I mean, you can put comments, say, is there any way we can get something in for the next month? And if I put it in, I put it in. If I don't, I don't. So, monoposto. A monoposto. Mono is single. Posto, I don't know. Alright. Oh yeah. It doesn't say, it's a Shelby Cobra. 65 Shelby Cobra. As I said, the glass is bent down a little bit. Oh, I want to do a, this is a Matchbox. I want to do a custom on this for sure. As I said in the one video, I was down at a car dealership in Mansfield, Ohio for work the other week, and I walked into a room and there was like 5 Shelby Cobras there and some Ford GT40s. Oh, I wish I could have taken a picture. Flathead Fury. Flathead Fury. So I don't know if flathead refers to the car or if flathead refers to the engine. Because Ford had the V8 flathead. Here we go. What do we have next? This is a 2009 Nissan GTR. 2009 Nissan GTR. I love the older Nissans. And these are great cars. These are great cars, but I'm gonna put that in there for you tuner guys. Alright. And then we have a Hyperliner. This is a Hyperliner and it's a medic. And you know, so if you have an accident while you're customizing your diecast cars, there's that. So here we go. What is this? This is a YUR. You're so fast. You're so fast. Holy CAD 25. Huh, must be referencing how they designed that. Okay. Whoa. What is this thing? Gangster Grin. Gangster Grin. I'm not really a fan of these tuned cars, but man, I wouldn't mind doing a custom on this, but I can't stand that grill. So, trade pal. We got a few more left here. Another You're So Fast. And this is a Fast Felion. A Fast Felion. I don't know what that's supposed to be based on, but that is kind of neat. I wouldn't mind doing a custom on that, but I'm going to put that right in the trade pile for you guys. And then we have a 62 Ford Mustang Concept. Oh my god, I've been wanting one of these. That is definitely going in the keep pile. Alright, and then we have a Tyrrell P34. A Tyrrell P34. And yeah, that is a very nice car. I wouldn't mind keeping that. I wouldn't mind doing a custom on it, keeping it with just the way it is. But that is going in the trade pile. And with that, guys, don't forget, I have an Instagram account where I post pictures of my completed cars. I'm also on Patreon. If you haven't checked that out, please do. Please consider supporting the channel in that way. I would really appreciate it. If you're interested in any of these cars in the trade pile, let me know. We can work something out. And, you know, if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Click that like button. You know I enjoy seeing those likes and your comments. And your wonderful, wonderful comments. And, you know, some of the conversations we get into in the comments, it's great. I really enjoy it. And, you know, ring the bell for notifications. As always, this is Don the Diecast Pirate, and I will see you next time.